welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna do a basketball heart for Valentine's Day. Let's get to it, Mom.
Okay, you start off with your orange and yellow split cake by tag and a small half-inch brush, I think. It's a low Cornell. Oh, it's 3/8, sorry. And you're gonna make a heart on your little woman or little man's cheek. And then you're gonna make your heart. Okay, then you're gonna fill in the space. Fill it in real good.
Yay.
Okay, now that you've got that all filled in, you're gonna take your black and a thin brush to do some line work, and you're gonna fill up your black. Okay, make sure your brush is nice and at a pointy tip. And I'm gonna trace my heart first. Okay, I'm tracing my heart. Okay, then I'm going to add the size of the basketball. And then the curve of the basketball. That's all the line work you need to do. After that, I'm going to add a... Oh, hold on. I forgot one thing. I'm going to add my moving stripes. So press down and up, down and up, down and up, because your basketball is moving in the air like it just doesn't care. Okay, then I'm going to add a little shine here at the top. Add a little shine to our moving marks. And there's our heart basketball for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, click like and subscribe for this video, and make sure to comment below and click that notification bell if you want to see our every video we make with other people, not just me. Bye bye, guys.